Alrighty, welcome to day 2, where I am literally taking you from $0 to $10,000 per month, leveraging the affiliate marketing business model. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and you've ticked the bell icon. That way you're notified of every single video that I upload when I upload it, so you can take action on it, so you can complete the 365-day steps. If you guys do this, and if you're consistent with it, it will absolutely change your life. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you the commissions that we've generated from this exact campaign that you're going to be able to duplicate, so you can see it actually working in action. And as you execute it, you're going to begin to see a snowball effect occur. So we're just in the first week still. We started this campaign on Monday. It is now Saturday morning. And you can see in this one income stream, we're at $640. If we jump over to this income stream over here, we're at $295. Now, there's a couple other income streams that I haven't even introduced to you yet, which I will over the course of the next few days. And I wanted to test these first before I brought these to you. But this one has produced $490 in this past week. And this one here has produced $810 in the past week. So if we go ahead and we pull out the good old trusty calculator, let's just calculate this real quickly. We'll take $810 and we'll plus that by $295. 295 plus, keep adding these numbers up here, $490. 490 plus, and this last amount, which is going to be right here, $640. So that is over $2,000 this week already. So guys, I create campaigns that convert. This campaign's converting incredibly well. So what I want to do in this video is I want to help you hit the ground running by getting you set up the right way. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be sending out another email. For those of you guys that are brand new, I'll give you guys a quick overview of how this works, but there's going to be a link in the description of this video that will lead you back to the first video in the series. So make sure that step 1, you followed the first video in the series on this very channel. Step 2 will be setting up your first income stream. Okay, the first income stream, I'm just going to go ahead and copy one of these links here. I'm just going to copy this link at the very bottom. The first income stream is the All-in-One Business Academy. What you're going to do is you're going to come to a page like this. It's going to be slightly different, but you're going to watch the video. You're going to click the button and you're going to go ahead and you're going to join. After you join, you're going to get your login details. Okay, when you log in, you're going to come to a page that looks something like this. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're on the Affiliate Zone tab. And by the way, I encourage you guys to get to know the back office of the Home Business Academy. Make sure you go through all these different tabs here. You watch all the videos. And again, you don't have to do this all in one day, but make sure as you're completing the tasks that I give you in my series of YouTube videos that you're also completing sort of the tasks within the members area and completing the videos step by step. So what you're going to do is go to the Affiliate Zone. You're going to scroll down and you're going to go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program here by clicking this button. Once you sign up and you log into your SamCart here, it's going to lead you to this page right here. Okay. On this page, you're going to see your total commissions amount. Obviously, yours is going to be 0 right now. You're also going to see all your links right here. These are the links you're going to be able to copy and you're going to share in the description of your YouTube videos, on Facebook, across social media. Again, we will be setting up your YouTube account. We will be setting up a TikTok account. We will be setting up different traffic income streams. And these income streams from these different traffic sources are going to start producing results. Now, again, there's going to be a snowball effect that occurs. It's going to take some time to build up. But once you build this up, you're going to see your results compound. So you're seeing what I've done just here in the first week. Wait until you see week 2, week 3, week 4, so on and so forth. So you're able to see right before your eyes this working in action, and you're going to be able to copy it from complete scratch. So I've tested this, proven to work, and all you guys need to do is go to the YouTube channel, this very YouTube channel, every single day and watch video by video. So again, step 1 is to watch the first video that's going to be listed in the description below. Step 2 is going to be to join the all-in-one business. Step 3 is going to be to create your affiliate account that you're seeing right here. Step 4, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and share these affiliate links. Of course, not all of them at once. You're going to share one in particular, which is going to be this one right here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to be copying this, and you could just leave this window open for now, but you might be wondering, where are we going to copy this? We need a traffic strategy to implement. We need website visitors to this affiliate link. So if I have no social media following, I have no email list, what am I supposed to do? This is where income stream number 2 comes into play, my lead gen secret. What you're going to do is when you join my lead gen secret, there's going to be a link below in the description, and you're going to go ahead and come to a page that looks something like this. You're going to click on use my secret now. You're going to enter your email address. You're going to fill out the form, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to log in. When you log in, you're going to come to a page that looks something like this. You can see that I've already sent 2 emails out. Okay. And I get approximately 100 leads per day. Now, as you're bringing people into this opportunity, you'll be boosted up to 200 leads per day. So you can see that I've been getting pretty decent results right here and right here for the first 2 emails. And this is a great way to generate leads right out of the gate, generate clicks to your affiliate link right out of the gate, and generate potential sales really quickly right out of the gate. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on create a message. Okay. What I've got in the description below is I have these 0 to 10K email swipes. These email swipes, you're going to be able to copy and use in your MLGS account. And I'll be uploading an email every single day. You'll just come here, you'll copy the subject line, you'll paste it, you'll copy the body, you'll paste it, and you'll insert your affiliate link from Sam Cart right here. So let's go ahead and let's do that right now. So we're on email 2, and let's go ahead and let's complete this task. So you're going to click on mail by date. You're going to select all your leads. You're going to go ahead and you're going to enter the subject right here. Okay, we did send an email out yesterday, which was this email. So again, that's why you want to watch video 1, which is in the description below. We're on email 2 right now. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy email 2, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to paste it. And then we're going to jump down here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy the body right here. And let's go ahead and just edit this right here. So whatever your name is, you'll just put your name right here. And let's go ahead and copy this whole entire bit here. And let's go ahead and let's paste it right here. When we paste it, you're going to see that it's all bolded. We're going to need to move these lines up here. So go ahead and do that right now. And boom, we're good to go. And then we're going to highlight everything, unbold it. You're going to put your name here. So whatever your name is, just go ahead and throw it in right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here to our Sam Cart. We're going to copy this link here. We're going to jump back over to our mailing list here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to highlight this bit here. We're going to click on the link here, and we're going to paste, and we're going to click OK. We're just going to delete this part where it says link. That's just there to show you guys that you need to put your link there. So there you go. And then we're going to select perfect timing, And then you're going to click on send email. And that is it for this video. In the next video, now that everybody should be up to speed, we will set up our YouTube account and you'll be able to start uploading videos. I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step and click by click. So again, here's what you need to do step by step. Step one, get the all-in-one digital business, AKA the Home Business Academy. Step two, go ahead and go to the affiliate zone and sign up for the affiliate program. Step three, make sure that you have My Lead Gen Secret. Step four, you're going to paste the email swipe into My Lead Gen Secret with your affiliate link from Sam Cart, and you'll be ready to go for the next video. So we've got one traffic vehicle working for us, which is email marketing. Next, we're going to have social media marketing, specifically YouTube marketing, working for us in the next video, as well as email marketing working for us. So we'll have two different traffic streams in the next video working for us simultaneously, and we'll be adding more step by step, and you'll be able to complete these tasks in no more than roughly 10 minutes a day, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to showing you guys the results tomorrow and helping you complete your next tasks. Again, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I can't stress that enough. And tick the bell icon. You have to tick the bell icon so you're notified of every video that I upload when I upload it. Okay, so thank you so much. Go ahead, complete the steps in the description below. We'll see you in the next video.